In 2004, the company was incorporated. 2006, we were the first one actually to start business model of replacing control cable in starter reclaimers in raw material handling yard with a wireless control system. When we incorporated the company, started the company, our business model was very clear. We are looking for the solutions which are typically imported and industry needs it. The model what we made is Sampurna Bharati Desi technology, price 30% अगर वो imported का substitute जब हम बना रहे हैं उसको. Well, very proudly I will share that by 2000 and I think it was 12, Frost and Sullivan did a survey and they found that particularly in this technology our market share is plus 90% in the country. 2008 we again find one application which a global MNC is a leader having around 100% market share in the world, and we brought in that concept with Indian Railways to make a Sampurna Bharatiya technology solution for running driverless locomotive. And 2008 we started working with Indian Railways for driverless locomotive control system. We launched a heating control platform in Düsseldorf, and the reason launching the platform in Düsseldorf was very simple, that this is a complete Indian solution and it is not copied. We want to show the world, this was presented at AITISM USA, that this whole technology is absolutely Indian for the global market. We got an opportunity by Fuji Electric Japan, and it was a NIDO fund basically for doing a smart grid project, and we did country's biggest smart grid project in the city of Panipat. 2018 we started a subsidiary called Zyna Medtech, and Zyna Medtech was able to deliver 2,500 ventilators under PM Care program to Government of India. We also started a subsidy for financial fintech. We have around 400 employees and 80% are spread around 9 various locations with 2 manufacturing units, 1 R&D center and 1 design and engineering center in Poland. We are a DOI, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, recognized R&D center. Well, I'll be a little fast on these, just a glimpse on our infrastructure. So the building on the top is our R&D center, and if you look at the down pictures, these are the pictures of inside of our office or our factories. Infrastructure, we have there is a picture of our expo booth, which we are participating from last 12 years in Düsseldorf in MITAC. And in this expo, we generally launch our technologies for the global market. These are the glimpse of our office, our research center, and our broadly the working environment, which is, I will proudly say, is very open environment. Well, a partial client list, and broadly I will say that there is no cement, steel, port, mine in the country who are not our customer. In the meantime, we also export our solutions to Japan, US, Caterpillar in USA, Siemens, Fuji Electric in Japan. Well, as I've said earlier, that our customer list includes all the major infrastructure and technology companies in the country, and we have plus 500 customers who are core into the technology business. Our presence in cross-industry segment, we work with utilities, health, government, manufacturing, defense, and on the defense side, I will very proudly say that we are the only supplier in India to supply unmanned boats to remote control target boats to Indian Navy. Well, as I've said that, we started a program in 2008 with Indian Railways, and there is a little story behind it. And I think all our solutions, what we are offering has some story. And the bottom line is very simple. There is a problem statement, and we find that let's give a solution for that. So the problem statement here was that India is buying a driverless locomotive control system, and the cost was something 4 crore, and we offered to Indian Railways for 40 lakhs. Now, after 10 years, if you look at it, today, very proudly I will say that 90% of the long-haul freight operation in India is powered by Lotus Wireless. The fact is, the data is plus 97%, but yes, I officially claim here is 90%. And if you look at the technology, there is one locomotive in the front. There are 6 more locomotives. And if you look at the tweet by our Honorable Minister Ashwani Vaishnav-ji, that Super Vasiki, India longest 3.5 kilometer loaded train runs with 6 locos, 295 wagons, and 25,000 tons gross weight. This is, I think, 2020. 2019, Piyush Goyal has tweeted when we have run 2 kilometers. And on the right side, there is a tweet from CLW that they have done 200 locomotive with this control system is successfully running in the country. Well, if you look at this whole technology on a turnkey basis, is designed, manufactured, and supplied by Lotus Wireless. Well, I think now I go with the part B, our solutions which are going to help the steel industry. So, the solutions what I am showing you here in this presentation and the offering is, they are all proven one. They are the one which are running in the industry. When I say industry, yes, plus 3 years, we have performance certificates for all these, typically these solutions. So let me share Eagle Yard. So Eagle Yard is basically a digital platform for real-time tracking, monitoring, and management of raw material. So what we do is we can completely digitize your whole yard, and all sort of equipments, whether it's doing volumetric measurements on belt weighing systems, tube jamming systems, or including your various stacker, reclaimers, wagon triplers. So all sort of activities we can digitize it, and all these informations can help you to run your yard not only just in an automatic way, but the more important is on a manual way. So if you look at what's inside, the various modules which are inside this digital platform are like unmanned operation, auto reclaiming, auto stacking, asset management, the operational control, safety, collision avoidance, scheduled planning, and 3D volumetric measurement. So if you look at today, a lot of information is there. You have a PLC, DCS, control systems, everything in place, but then end of the day, the value delivery is only possible when the money is saved. And to save the money, everything has to be in place. And here, what we offer is absolutely we offer solution for your bottlenecks, and running your stacker, reclaimer, absolutely manless. It means they are controlled from the control room. Operator will be there. When I say manless, it means he'll be there, and he is there to stop the things or look at the things, but the whole control is going to be from the control room. So if you look at, this is something, what you can see a 3D heat map. You can look at various operational parameters. You can have a control desk. I think this desk we have given it to JSW. and you can have a remote control desk from where you